In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automatic subscription in Duolingo. We will walk through the process on the Duolingo website so you stop future automatic charges. First, open your web browser. Any modern browser works fine, like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Just make sure it is connected to the internet because everything we do here happens online rather than inside the Duolingo mobile app. Once that is ready, go to Duolingo. In the address bar at the top of the browser, type duolingo.com and press enter. The Duolingo homepage will load, and you should see the familiar green owl and the language course list. If you are not signed in yet, log in with the same account that has the subscription so the system can find it. From there, click your profile picture. You will find it in the top right corner of the Duolingo page. If you do not use a custom photo, it might be a colored circle with your initials. When you click it, a small menu opens under the picture, showing options like Profile and Settings, which confirms you clicked the right place. Now, click Settings. In that menu under your profile picture, choose the Settings option. The page will change to the Account Settings view with sections such as Account, Notifications, and maybe payment-related areas. This is where Duolingo keeps everything about your profile and any active Super Duolingo subscription tied to it. Next up, open Super Duolingo or subscription. Look for a tab or section with that name in the settings area and click it. On many accounts, it appears in a list on the left side of the screen. Once you open it, you should see details about your current plan, such as whether it is monthly or yearly, and the next renewal date, which tells you that automatic payments are currently active. With that open, click Cancel Subscription. The option usually appears as a link or button on the subscription details page, often near the renewal information. When you click it, Duolingo may show you a short message explaining what you will lose, like offline lessons or no ads. You should also see the date until which your current paid period will remain active, so you know you keep benefits until that day. After that, confirm the cancellation. A prompt or small window will ask you to confirm that you really want to cancel. Choose the confirm option shown there. When it goes through, the page should update and indicate that your subscription will not renew, often by showing a message that your plan will end on a specific date. You have now turned off automatic renewal for your Duolingo subscription on the website, so it will not charge you again after the current period ends. If this helped you take control of your Duolingo billing, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more short guides like this.